since you all have came today and enjoying your meal and have donated, I need to give back something, right? Since all of you all are tech, if I were to give you all a free apps, would you all like it? Anything free Malaysians love, right? What are you all thinking suddenly? So let's say a free apps. I have created a free apps called Hole Detector. Alright? A hole detector. I know one of the guys at last he created the hole detector. And she's giving me the stare. What's this guy trying to say? How dare you say that? So anyway, it's a free app. You can download it. Alright? You can download it and it updates by itself. Alright? It guarantees you satisfaction, comfort, and also saves money. It notifies you the big holes and the small holes in Klang Valley. Alright? That's what it does. It is so advanced. Later on, I'm going to expand into different states, but because of the budget, right? So I have to cover Klang Valley. So, any of y'all have any idea what's a hole detector or not? Because some of y'all are actually picking up the phone and checking now. It's also for Android and iPhone. Yeah, you're checking it, right? Yeah. Okay. A hole detector is very simple. It's an application to tell you where are the potholes in Klang Valley. That's it. That's it. Nothing more. Because you know the toll price is going up, so you buggers will be using all the shortcut methods. So that's why I created this app. What kind of hole you guys are thinking about? Yeah, you knew, right? Yeah, right? Okay. So anyway, for the other kind of detector, I will have a different session with the guys.